Today we're gonna draw a yummy piece of candy, all wrapped up and colorful. Are you ready to make something sweet and fun? Let's get started!
Hey kids, it's Boo Boo time! Grab your pencil, it's sketching time! Aww. First we start with simple lines, shapes and curves, oh look that's fine. A circle here, a squiggle there, soon a character will appear. Sketch, sketch with Boo Boo, yay! Line by line we draw and play. Every little mark's okay, our Boo Boo friend will.
Ooh, now it's coloring time! Yay! You can make me yellow and green like a lemon lime candy. Or any colors you love. I just want to shine.
Pick your colors bold and bright. Red beat beat do. Red beat beat do. Pick your colors bold or bright. Make Boo Boo shine in the light. Red or yellow, green or blue. It's your choice, it's up to you. Color, color with Boo Boo, yay! Fill the world with joy today. Brush your marker, it's okay. Bring our Boo Boo to life this way. Do 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 do. Soft and gentle, take your time. Every shade is just sublime. Stripes or dots or sparkles too. Your Boo Boo's made by you, so true. Color, color with Boo Boo, yay! Fill the world with joy today. Brush your marker, it's okay. Bring our Boo Boo to life this way. Mix and blend, have lots of fun. There's no wrong way for anyone. Bright and happy, bold and new. Look at what you made. Woohoo! Color, color with Boo Boo, yay! Fill the world with joy today. Brush your marker, it's okay. Bring our Boo Boo to life this way. Now our Boo Boo's full of cheer. You did amazing, give a cheer. More fun drawings on the way. With Boo Boo friends, hip hip hooray! Red finger here to Boo play. Blue joins right away.
Wait! Can we add glitter? Please. Just a little sparkle on my shiny wrapper. And maybe on my stripes too. Now I look magical.
It's glitter time. Let's make our art sparkle and shine.
You did it! I look amazing thanks to you. Thank you, sweet artist. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Boo Boo Productions. I'll tell all my candy friends about you. Bye-bye.